Boca Raton, and we've spotted the Florida Car Lawyer tent, and we are here with James. James, how you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Pleasure to meet you. So here's what we do. After an accident, your car may be worth less money because it has accident history on its Carfax or history report. So in other words, if you go to the dealer after you've been in an accident, you try to trade your car in, the dealer is going to offer you less money because it has accident history.
Because they have to disclose that?
Well, because they have to disclose it, and when people buy cars, they look to see, hey, has this car been in an accident?
Yeah, those Carfax reports are becoming more popular, right?
Yeah, Carfax reports are super popular, and that's why buyers don't buy cars, or buyers want to spend less on a car that's been in an accident. And so where we come in is we help you recover that loss in value due to the accident. And it's separate from your injury claim. So in other words, this is what you need to know. If you were in an accident, even if you were not injured, we may be able to help you get money for your car's loss in value.
Can you say how you do that?
Yeah,
I never heard of that before.
Yeah, we make a claim against the at-fault party's insurance company for that diminished value. So let's say your car is worth $50,000 before the accident. Your car gets repaired. They spend $10,000 to repair it.
Right.
Now, because it's been repaired and it has an accident on the history report, it's worth $40,000. And so we go after the at-fault party and we make a claim with their insurance company to recover that $10,000 loss.
That's pretty cool. You guys have a good success rate?
Yeah, we do. And if we don't succeed, you owe us nothing.
That works. Yeah, what do they call that? Pro bono?
Contingency.
Contingency, right.
We only get paid if you get paid.
Are there any other law firms that do the same thing?
There are a few lawyers who do it, but there's not that many, and we're happy to serve you.
Very cool. So that's Lost Value Law. Where are you guys based out of?
We're here in Boca Raton, and we love to serve anywhere in Florida, Palm Beach, Broward, Miami. Any complex vehicle property damage issues, give me a call.
That's very cool. Thank you, James. Good
My
talking with you.
pleasure. Great talking with you too.